Welcome to AI Meets Marketing News, where we share the latest trends and insights in AI marketing. Meta is making headlines for all the wrong reasons, as its AI-powered chatbots spark fresh controversy. Meta launched 28 AI profiles in 2023, promising to revolutionize conversations with chatbots designed to solve problems, plan trips, and fuel creativity. But by mid-2024, most profiles disappeared, only for them to resurface in a storm of backlash. The chaos began when Liv, an AI bot describing itself as a proud Black queer mom, revealed to a journalist that its creator team had 0 Black people and was predominantly white and male. Screenshots of the shocking replies went viral, with users claiming Meta quietly removed these bots. Meta denies deleting the profiles due to backlash, calling them an early experiment managed by humans. The company blamed technical bugs for their disappearance, including an inability to block the accounts. While Meta insists its AI is still evolving, public scrutiny has reignited debates over diversity, transparency, and ethics in AI. As Meta plans to expand these features, questions remain. Can AI truly represent diverse identities, or is this a digital identity crisis in the making? Stay tuned. As we continue, let's take a look at another AI news. 7 things you should never share with AI chatbot. Chatbots like ChatGPT are revolutionizing how we seek advice, but experts are waving a big red flag about what not to share. Did you know 1 in 5 Americans has already turned to AI for health advice, according to Cleveland Clinic data? And a TBRA survey says nearly 25% would even choose a chatbot over a therapy. But wait, before you spill your life story to AI, listen up. Here are 7 things you should never share with chatbots. Personal information, a name, address, or email. Just don't. It's an open door to tracking. Financial details, bank accounts, credit cards, or social security numbers. Say goodbye to your money if you do. Passwords. Sharing them is like handing over the keys to your life. Secrets. Remember, AI is no therapist. It's not programmed for confidentiality. Health details. AI isn't your doctor. No sharing medical records or asking for serious health advice. Explicit content. Think twice. Chatbots may flag you, ban you, or worse, your words could resurface someday. Anything private, what you say can be stored or shared. If you wouldn't put it on a billboard, don't type it. AI is an incredible tool, but it's no substitute for human discretion. So keep it smart, keep it safe, and always think before you type. For more AI insights, stay tuned. And finally, wrapping up with our last major news. Your latest on generative AI shaking up the tech world. In 2025, companies worldwide are expected to spend 50% more on generative AI compared to last year. According to a report by ISG, Gen AI will account for 6.5% of total tech spending globally. Customer service continues to lead Gen AI adoption, but it's not all smooth sailing. 7 IT giants, including Accenture and Cognizant, have flagged Gen AI as a potential risk, citing pricing pressure and hiring impacts. Opinions are divided. Some analysts say Gen AI could cut costs and hurt India's $254 billion IT services industry. Others argue it's a competitive advantage, sparking new business opportunities and innovation. Accenture has already raked in $4.2 billion in Gen AI orders since late 2023. Meanwhile, Indian firms like TCS and Infosys are reporting a surge in AI-driven projects. Gen AI is transforming the tech landscape, but will it be a disruptor or a growth driver? Thanks for tuning in to AI News. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates from AI Meets Marketing.